Today's customer expectations are higher than ever. They want personalized and timely customer support across all digital channels. Whether speaking with an associate directly or utilizing automated self-service, they expect all channels to be connected. That is why the contact center of the future is not a multi-channel call center, but an omni-channel that provides 360-degree view of the entire customer journey. By 2025, there will be a change in the notion of customer resulting from the separation of the entity contacting the contact center for service and the customer themselves. For example, the rise of IoT will see smart objects automatically asking for the support and help, with this support being provided by smart bots who will apply known fixes, run diagnostics, and search knowledge bases for answers or resolutions. Escalation to human technicians will occur if the smart bots cannot resolve the issue. The support will no longer be a human-to-human interaction or even a human-to-bot interaction. It could involve no humans. Customer expectations of service are set to rise across all verticals. By 2025, customers will have zero tolerance for suboptimal service, as they will be even more informed about the reality of service, have far higher expectations, be empowered by social sharing, and be more willing to be able to shift their suppliers. Today's contact centers take care of inbound and outbound calls, emails, web inquiries, and chat globally and across multiple business dimensions. To keep up with this pace, organizations must infuse their contact centers with robust SMSC technologies, that is, social, mobile, analytics, and cloud. This extends the business's agility by addressing ever-changing customer preferences and a need for multi-channel consistency. Accordingly, future contact centers must provide a couple of things. The first one is cloud hosting, the ability to deliver communication as a service. The second one is social media capabilities, the access and capabilities needed to resolve queries originating from social media. The third important thing is smartphone access, the tools needed to equip contact center agents with real-time contextual information. Fourth one is video enablement, the capability to engage in face-to-face video link calls. The next one is virtual contact centers, that is SIP-enabled contact centers to help reduce cost and complexity. And the last one is advanced analytics, tools that analyze volumes of unstructured data and deliver crucial insights into customer behavior. The contact center is the most advanced slice of enterprise communications. Call center interactions can have a big financial impacts, and that's why it's quick to apply new technologies. The call center is a remarkable collection of communications technologies that include advanced routing, high availability, sophisticated integrations, rigorous security, telework, and cutting-edge AI. While a wide range of technologies such as automation, analytics, workflow technology, bots, verification, and so on will be deployed to increase efficiency and enhance the customer experience, humans will still be required to deal with the most complex issues. The range of skill required by human agents will also broaden and change as they become problem solvers. The contact center will also become a powerful resource for finding out what customers think of companies and for capturing sentiments, feedbacks, and needs and wants of the customers. As an invaluable source of data for both the enterprise and its partners, it will evolve beyond omni-channel operation to become the center of connected enterprise. Now let's discuss what is the transformation expected in contact center industry by 2025. The very first one is the call center will become a relationship hub. For years, many have considered the call center as a way of dealing with immediate problems. This leads to a short-term strategy of dealing with one customer emergency after another, reacting instead of adapting to the needs of the customer. Instead of picking up the pieces when things go wrong, we predict that the contact center will become an integral part of business strategy, acting as a relationship hub. The second transformation that can happen is call routing systems will find the perfect match. Intelligent call routing is already available now, but it's predicted to grow in the next 10 years, matching the customer with the right expert almost instantly. As CRM and workflow management systems develop, a complex matchmaking process will occur every time a customer calls to ensure the right expert is on hand to solve every problem. The number 3 is web chat will become an increasingly popular customer service channel. It can be frustrating to be on the other hand of the phone. Whether you are an agent or a customer, the channel has its limits. The success of Amazon Mayday has made video-based live chats a real possibility. The channel has huge potential because it allows agents to develop a more personal connection with customers through face-to-face chat. Plus, if you have ever wanted to show your customer how something works, with video chat, this has become a possibility. The fourth one is expect channel preferences to change. As consumers demand a personalized approach to just about everything, they expect to be able to mix and match the customer service channels to create tailor-made services. How contact centers are able to adapt to the customer switching between channels will determine their success. The fifth one is remote working and location-based services will increase. With the rise of cloud-based SaaS, having all your agents in one place is no longer necessary. Actually, switching to a remote working agent has lots of benefits. This approach can reduce the cost associated with running a contact center and give employees greater flexibility. Now, if you are considering outsourcing for your business, I recommend considering Apex Service Solutions for your business. This company is located in Kosovo and specialized in business process management. The company is owned by experienced professionals in a range of industries. Apex provides a blend of functional expertise and process capabilities. Their solutions help you to maintain stability and competitive advantage in this volatile market. If you want to watch more videos about outsourcing and offshoring, then make sure to click here on this link. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.